Hello guys, I know it's been a while. I am vlogging after forever and I missed you guys. I missed like just casually talking to you. But this vlog guys is gonna be a very special one. I am kind of nervous about this actually because it's my mom and Siddharth's birthday on Monday. Two of the most important people in my life share the same birthday, which is crazy. And this year we're planning to celebrate their birthdays together. I'm basically throwing mom and Siddharth a dinner at my house, but it's not just any dinner. I'm planning like the whole theme. We're gonna do up the hall in like a very special way. We're setting up a buffet, and I'm basically working with this decor company called Do It Up. Taral from Do It Up is basically gonna come over on Monday and set up my living room for the dinner, so I'm very excited. So that's happening on Monday, and then Sunday I'm planning a surprise dinner for Siddharth. Now I'm kind of nervous about this because this was a very last minute thing, like not last minute, but I planned this after the dinner on Monday was already planned. I basically saw Malvika Sitlani's birthday that just went by, and her husband threw her the surprise dinner party kind of a thing where it was just them, and I asked her, you know, if I should do this for Siddharth as well, if she recommends it, and she was like, hell yeah, do this, it's amazing. So I got in touch with My Stories. Maitri from My Stories happens to follow me and she was very excited to do this. So yeah, she's gonna plan this insane dinner for Siddharth on Sunday. So that's also happening. So 2 events in a span of 2 days for 2 very special birthdays, and I thought of taking you guys through all of it. And there's also a lot of planning happening guys. Like this week honestly has been insanely busy for me. Like I can't even tell you, I've been shooting every single day. I was also kind of not feeling well, like I had massive headaches throughout the week, so that wasn't very nice, but I still had to shoot regardless. And plus today I found out about a very big project that I'm going to be a part of, and it's basically one of the biggest projects that I've ever done as a blogger, which I'm very excited about. So I just found out about that, so the pressure's on, and plus I've been planning these birthdays, so yeah, there's a lot going on, and I thought of taking you guys through with me. I just finished shooting by the way right now, which is why I have makeup on. I just changed. There's a lot of sun there. Anyway, so yeah, that's the plan of this vlog guys. I'll take you through the planning of the birthdays. I'll show you what I do. I've already finished figuring out the food for Monday. Basically I'm working with a caterer who's gonna send the food over. Obviously I'm keeping COVID in mind. I'm not gonna be in contact with a lot of people, but they'll basically just send the food over and we'll heat it up. Drinks Mona is doing, so we still need to figure out the drinks because we're gonna print out the menu. Taral from Do It Up is printing out the menus and stuff for Monday. And right now I'm also talking to my SA from Louis Vuitton because I'm trying to figure out a gift for Siddharth. I've liked a bag, some sneakers, also a belt, so I'm trying to figure out what to get for Siddharth because they're kind of getting a new collection as well tomorrow at the store. So I need to pick something from that, so we're going to wait till the new collection also drops and then I'll figure, and then I'll send my driver tomorrow to go and pick up the gift for Siddharth. So there's a lot going on. Also, did I tell you I also ordered some clothes for Siddharth that I'm gonna send over to his house on Sunday, and it's gonna go with a note, and because he has no clue about this dinner that's happening on Sunday, right? So I'm gonna send this gift that has clothes and a note that will basically say that, hey, we're going somewhere, get ready, you know, pick an outfit from this package, and yeah, it's gonna be very special. So there's a lot happening. I'm excited but nervous. Anyway, it's been a long intro guys. I will get back to work. I still have a lot to do. I need to sort of shoot a couple of stories as well for a brand that I'm working with, so I'm gonna finish all of that, get my makeup off, and talk to you guys in a bit. By the way guys, I have a new mirror in my room, and you guys actually recommended me to check out IKEA to order a mirror, and I did that, and I got this one from IKEA and I'm very happy. It was basically super easy sort of to just call for a mirror from IKEA, so I did that. I needed this basically to film videos and, you know, some content. It's nice when you have like a full length mirror. So yeah, I have this, and this dress that I'm wearing right now is from Ritu Kumar, in case anyone is wondering. I really like how flowy and easy it is. And guys, I got this box this morning. It's an order from Zara. I'm just sort of trying to not show my address here, but this box has a couple of shirts that I've ordered for Siddharth, and I'm gonna actually send this over tomorrow, gift wrapped in the morning, with a letter to Siddharth's house. And the letter is basically gonna say that get ready, pick a shirt that you like, and you have a surprise planned. ahead of you. So I think it's going to be fun. I'm just going to open this up. I'll show you the shirts that I've ordered, and then we write the letter for him, and I'll gift wrap it, and then it's going to go to him tomorrow morning. I'm excited. Alright, so I've ordered 3 shirts, guys, and this is not specifically for tomorrow. It's basically the style that Siddharth's been into lately, something that's super chill. So this linen kurta style shirt would be super cool with just like basic jeans. Then we've got this linen half sleeve shirt in black, which again is very cool. I know he's gonna wear it a ton. And then there's this paisley printed shirt, which I think Siddharth's gonna end up wearing tomorrow. We'll see, but he's been into prints of late, so again, I think he's gonna love this. But I feel like these shirts are kind of big because I've ordered a size small, and so that's usually an extra small in Zara, but because of the lockdown he feels like he's put on a little weight, so he needed a bigger size, and he doesn't know that I've ordered these, by the way, but I just know that he feels that he needs a small now, so we'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna pack these up now, and then let's write the letter for him. So I've decided to use this little picture that I had, and I have written a little note behind it, and it says 28th birthday, because that's turning 28 on Monday. And I just kind of ruined the picture because I put my finger on some red pen and then the ink got transferred, but please ignore that. But here's what the little note says. Hey birthday boy, a little surprise awaits you. Get ready and be ready sharp at 3 p.m. See you in a bit. Love you. So this is gonna go into this, and I will put this string on top and use this little clip to make sure it doesn't move. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Alright guys, so it's game time. Today is the day that the whole surprise begins. It's a Sunday, the 9th of August. My phone's going on. But the 9th of August, and today is the day that I'm taking Siddharth for this surprise early dinner. I look like a mess. I look crazy, but please excuse this. I'm gonna start getting ready in about, I would say, half an hour, because it's almost 1 o'clock right now, and I want to aim at getting out of the house by 2:30, so we'll see how that goes. But I've just laid out my dress, I mean my outfit right here. It's this skirt from Zara, and this top that actually came yesterday itself, so I might wear this top or this top, or a basic black cami, a satin cami. So we'll see. I've got 3 black options. I'll try all of them and see which looks the best with the skirt. And I'm gonna wear my Valentino sandals, because I'm dying to wear these out. I didn't really get a chance to wear this as much. And probably the Gucci Marmon. I haven't used this bag in forever, but I needed a black bag with gold hardware because I do want to add a lot of color. But yeah, that's the look. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna start with doing my hair first, because I mean, look at this. And then I'll start with my makeup and I'll show you everything, because I think it's gonna be fun. I'm excited to finally get ready to go somewhere. And by the way guys, Siddharth got his gift this morning. It got delivered at about 11, and he saw it when he woke up. I left him a message on WhatsApp saying that, hey, there's a little package waiting for you. So it was pretty cute. He's very excited. He's just like guessing, and how he's constantly guessing what we're gonna do today, but obviously he doesn't really know. But he thinks that I've booked a private dining experience at Yaucha, because that's our favorite restaurant, but that's not the case. He's kind of correct about the dining bit, but yeah, there's a lot to it. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking guys. Wish me luck. I'm so nervous. I don't know why I'm like kind of nervous about today, but let's hope everything goes perfectly well. And yeah, I am kind of ready. I went for this polka dotted top. I'll show you the whole look once I'm properly ready. Someone just dropped something. But I am kind of in a fix right now. I'm trying to figure if I should do a red lip, a nude lip, or a pink lip. I mean, one second. Let me just show you the situation. So this is the look that I'm going for. I've left my hair open. I've just kind of like done these soft curls. I don't know if you can tell, but like just these soft curls at the back. But otherwise, I'm just gonna leave it open. And then I'm wearing these earrings, my LV earrings. I can't believe I'm actually properly getting dressed to go out. This is so strange. But yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. I feel like this looks like it's a dress almost, so I went for this. Even the other poofy shoulder one looked good, but I don't know, I feel like this looks like nice. I prefer this. So yeah, I'm just trying to figure right now what lip to go for. I'll show you the options that I have actually. So I've kept two of my lipsticks from Maybelline, the the Superstay Matte Ink crayons. This is my go-to one. I talk about this one a lot. It's my nude color. It's called Lead the Way. I use this every single day, so I don't know if I want to do something different today or not. And this is like a darker pink. I've not tried this color before, so let's see. Or a red. So I'm thinking, what should I do, guys? I feel like the lip can really change the look. Also the hair, like I'm kind of also thinking of going for a ponytail, which I might actually. The pony is also looking quite nice, and also I'll be very comfortable, I feel, if I have a ponytail. You know what, I think I'm gonna go for a ponytail. And the lip, I think I'm just gonna try both the lips and then figure. But anyway, I have like 20 minutes before I have to leave, so I will just do my lip and my hair. I'll catch you guys. But yeah, I'm just confused about the lip. Alright, I'm just gonna be basic. I'm doing my nude lip. It's called Lead the Way from Maybelline, guys. I don't know. Also because it's kind of a day thing, it's not night exactly, so I'm kind of worried the red lip will be a bit much. So then I think I'm just sticking to the nude. I don't know why it's looking almost orange on the camera, but I promise it's brown, like a pinkish brown. And I always like to overline my lips a little, so I go a little over the lip line. I'm leaving and this is my final look. I decided to go with open hair, kind of given like a side partition to my hair, and that's my final makeup. It's quite nude, like I kept it quite simple because I didn't want to like go super loud because it's still like daytime. And this is what the full look looks like. Also, I forgot to tell you, yesterday this arrived. I finally ordered a belt for Siddharth from Louis Vuitton, and his gift is packed right here. I'll probably show you guys if Siddharth happens to open it today, but yeah, that's here as well, and that's the bag that I'm carrying. Let's go. So I'm outside Siddharth's building now. He's almost ready. He's coming down, and then we're gonna head. We're kind of ahead of schedule. I just got a message from Maitri that, you know, come by 3:45, and it's 3 PM right now, so we have 45 minutes to kill because Bandra is not very far from where Siddharth lives. Like, it's just 10 minutes away. So we'll probably just have to drive around for a bit and then head there by 3:45, but we'll see. Siddharth, what do you think is happening right now?
I don't know. I just know that I'm very hungry, and you promised me that you're going for lunch or something.
I never said that.
And I'm still not getting any food in front of me. I've not eaten since yesterday.
But what do you think is happening? Where are we going? Because we just took a round of Bandstand and you thought we were going to Tajlands End. And clearly that's not happening. So what do you think?
I'm confused now. Where else can we go? Because everything else is shut only.
And what did you think of your gift? This one?
Yeah, amazing.
Sarthak is here to surprise SJ. This is your last surprise. Okay, Siddharth, don't expect anything else.
Obviously, how would you get surprises then?
But yeah, but this one he was expecting. He was expecting Sarthak to come, so I thought of getting in SJ to have a beer. He was just like guessing in the air, and this is the only. I told him that there's one more surprise left. So he's like, oh, so are there people coming?
I'm used to, na? Yeah. What do you say? Crashing your dates?
Oh. Yeah, Sarthak is the one who used to crash every single date that Siddharth and I went on in junior college.
But I used to get tips. Na, that you
What do you mean tips? You literally crashed every single date. But yeah, Sarthak's here. And we're gonna leave in like 10 minutes. It's about 7:30 right now, so we've been here for a while. Hello guys, it is the next day and today is the official birthday. Today is the day when it's my mom and Siddharth's birthday. I look like a crazy person, but whatever, I'm home and no one cares. But there's a lot happening outside right now. The living room is being set up for tonight's dinner, so let me go and show you. Taral from Do It Up is here, who's setting up the living room, so let me go show you. So there's a lot happening here. Hi Taral. So that's Taral from Do It Up, and look at what she's done to this living room. It's transformed. And it's gonna look stunning at night because we're gonna have all these lights on. And yeah, I mean, this is just the beginning, but so Taral, everyone wants to know a little bit about you, like what do you do, and can you tell us a little bit about Do It Up?
Sure. So I'm an architect from Bombay. I started Do It Up a few months back with the intention that we can make home decor services a little more affordable and quicker process.
Right.
And now that we are in the lockdown, what I wanted to do is make all the events that we're celebrating at home a little bit more special. So the birthdays and anniversaries,
Yeah.
and today similarly what we're doing at Jubilee's house. So we started doing this a few months back, and I just hope that everybody likes what we're doing.
Yay! It looks fab. And
you.
can't wait to see the final result. DV, are you excited? What are you excited the most about? The balloons? Or the food? What? Are you excited about the balloons or the food?
Both.
Both? And what are you wearing today? This? You're not wearing your princess dress?
First, there was one skirt that got fully wet with water.
But it's okay, we'll wear new bye-bye clothes.
Okay.
Okay? Diva's ready for tonight. TV, can you tell us what your outfit is like? What is this around your neck?
It's one cape.
It's a cape. So are you Princess Diva?
Yeah.
Can I see your full outfit? Can you turn around? You look so cute. And Mama made this. Oh wow! Mama made this skirt for you.
Yes, and cape also.
Cape also Mama made. It's from Green Dots, right? Wow.
See, the skirt has one green dots behind.
Oh, okay. It has a tag.
One sticker here.
Whoa. Are you excited for today, Papu?
Yes.
That's Diva for you. Our dose of entertainment. And this is what I'm wearing today. I want to be like super comfortable because I'm sort of going to be doing a lot of running around. I need to set up the food, but Taral has done a brilliant job, guys. I can't wait to show you the living room. I'll quickly show you my outfit first. So I have these pants on from Zara. I just got them. Love these pants. And this bodysuit as well, which I got from Zara recently. And my basic Chanel earrings, because I mean it's just easy. I just want to be like fuss free today. And yeah, this is my look. And now I'll show you the living room. I just need to put the candles on and a few other things, and then I'll show you guys. Alright guys, so this is the first look at what Taral has done to the living room. And this is the area where we'll all be sitting, and the other side is where the food's gonna be laid. But how cute is this? I love this little corner. It's my favorite, with all the candles. It's a video.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
guys, I look super tired. I know it's about 12:30 right now. It's kind of late, and everyone just left, and it was such a nice evening. I'm not sure honestly if I've taken enough to show you guys, but we were just, you know, having a good time, and it was great. Like, both our parents were busy discussing the old times and telling us stories. So yeah, it was just a really, really special night, and I'm just so glad that both the plans went as per the plan. So I feel like something just bit me here, like this and this are like mosquito bites, which is so strange, but I look super tired. I'm kind of sleepy as well, but it was a very special evening, and I just want to quickly say thank you to Taral from Do It Up and Maitri from My Stories. Both of them did such a great job with the decor and everything. It just makes everything so special. And guys, I'm just gonna quickly say this, like, none of this is sponsored or anything, because I posted something on my Instagram and I noticed a couple of people saying that it's sponsored, which is so strange. I would never mix my personal life with work like that. So yeah, it isn't. It's just all from here. And yeah, it was just a great evening, and yesterday was amazing as well, and I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to join me on such special days. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, guys. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna take off my makeup, get changed, and do a bit of work. Actually, my manager Priyanka was going crazy because I just kept my phone aside today and we had to do a bunch of things, and yeah, we kind of missed a couple of timelines, but that's okay. I made it up for it. But yeah, anyway, I will finish up with some work and then go to bed. I love you guys, and I hope to see you soon on a vlog. And yeah.